So on question 6, there's a lot of data. The best way to probably do this is pull up Google Sheets, which is a free online software program. It works right in your web browser. You could do this in Excel too, but I always found Google Sheets is quicker to get into, and it works best for most students. So pull up Google Sheets or Excel or whatever spreadsheet program you want, and then we're going to be able to copy and paste the data. So if you click this button, click Copy to Clipboard, and then it highlights it for you. You just have to right click or two-finger click, choose Copy. Then you can paste it, and now you've got your data to work with. And now the question's asking you to make a frequency table. So in a frequency table, you're looking to count up the number of numbers that are between 94 that are between and including 94 and 99. So it's easiest to look at this if we can sort it. If you right-click the top of the column, the letter A, and click Sort A to Z, and it sorts it from least to greatest, or you could do it in reverse. You could go greatest to least if you want. But that makes it way easier to count. The number of numbers between 94 and 99 inclusive, there's 2 of those. And then its relative frequency means the percent of the data set that fits this category. So what we need to know is the number of numbers in our data set. And luckily, we've already got counts right here on the side. There's 20 numbers in our data set. So the relative frequency here is going to be 2 divided by 20. So I took the frequency, divide by the total, then multiply by 100 to convert that to a percentage. So it's 10% of our data set. And then cumulative frequency, I actually made a mistake when I was doing this for the video. I was thinking of relative cumulative frequency. That would be like where you keep track of the decimal form of the percentage and you keep adding it up as you go on, but they're actually just looking for cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency for the first row, it's just the frequency of 94 to 99. But what we're going to do with this column is we're going to keep adding. So like if the next frequency is 3, then the cumulative frequency is going to be 5. But it'll make more sense when you see it. So we got our Excel spreadsheet, the number of numbers between 88 and 93 inclusive. This fits into that category. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 numbers that fit that category. And again, the relative frequency, there's 4 numbers that are in this category. There are 20 numbers altogether. Multiply that result by 100, and that's our percentage. And then cumulative frequency just means it's going to be the previous cumulative frequency total plus the new frequency that we just got. So this should be 6 here. And then you can repeat the process. I'll do one more, but I think sometimes these numbers aren't randomized. 82 to 87. Probably makes more sense to list this. If you click, right-click A and choose Sort Z to A, that's probably easiest to do because 82 to 87, this fits in the category. 85 is between those 2 numbers, or including the endpoints. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers there. And so the relative frequency is 5 divided by 20, and then multiply by 100 to finish converting it to a decimal. The cumulative frequency, the previous total was 6. We're adding 5 to it, so we're at 11 now for our cumulative frequency.